Yes. Now let's complete. See, you might have seen this paragraph, even though it's comprehension passage, it's entirely different. The way they ask the questions, pose the question is entirely different. You cannot simply answer, we cannot pick up the answers from the paragraph. Earlier, when we practiced it in 9th class, entirely different. We had two paragraphs, one for 12 marks, one for 8 marks, and for 8 marks, if in the 12 marks paragraph, we have 4 questions for which you have to write answers, descriptive type. Here, all choosing right answer only, but it is not that easy. So let's look at the answers. I hope have you all completed? Let's check. The first question. The reason why living on the earth has become popular is because of the. What is the answer? Very good, very good. The fourth one, D is the answer. Strong tendency to stay within our limits. Within our limits. Strong tendency to stay within our limits. Okay, next. Second one, choose the option that best captures the central idea of the passage from the given quotes. What can we take? First one, it's all about quality of life and finding a happy balance between work and friends. Nothing is there. Work, friends, nothing is described regarding that. To go beyond is as wrong as to fall short. That is one. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Is there anything like that? We should continue our efforts without stopping. No such meaning is there in that paragraph. Balance is not something you find, it's something you create. So, what is the obvious answer? To go beyond is as wrong as to fall short. That means clearly it is mentioned in the paragraph that we have to be within the limits. So within the limits means that is what? Next. So option 2, that means B. Which of the characteristics are apt about the writer in the following context? I know I have limits and that I have reached them, but I am going to ignore them and see if long I can get by with it. C. Yes, C is the correct option. It is he. That means 1 and 4, negligent and reckless. See, children, very, very confusing this is. Generally, we find this type of questions in the BSRB, POS tests, like that high level tests. Now, of course, that's why I told you. Now the model paper is very easy for those who have good reading skills. Very difficult those who are poor at reading. So practice more and more reading. Which of the following will be the most appropriate title? Enough is enough. How can you choose that? Enough is enough. Much too soon. Have enough to do. So, C, I think C more appropriate. How much is too much? How much is too much? Think, because enough is enough also a bit enough is enough. No, but here we should know limits. When it is beyond the limits, how much is too much for you? We are all talking about within the limits, within the what parameters for life, disciplined life. So, how much is too much? When you think that it is beyond your limits. So, I think the answer is C. Check once, later we can check. Next, the phrase potentially harmful circumstances. Answer? C. Potentially harmful. A. Certainly be dangerous. They are certainly dangerous. When we are going by car, for example on highway, if you cross the lane, definitely is dangerous, but Very stupid fellows are there. Even recently I went to Vijayawada. My God, how they come on roads, driving cars, I don't know. While going, he goes on the third middle lane, all of a sudden comes to the right side. Why? I don't know. Simply they come like that. Because ahead a bus or truck is going. So to cross that without any signal, he comes this side. So very embarrassing, very irritating. So that should be, it will be certainly dangerous. Not possibly. Next, select the option that makes the correct use of unsustainable. Which can? That means you have to substitute that word unsustainable in each and every blank. You have to read each and every blank, substituting that word unsustainable. Then you can get a clue. D. D is correct. See, officials admit that the emergency system is unsustainable in the long run. So the remaining, it is not relevant. For example, in the long run, the unsustainable officials followed emergency. This is meaningless. Emergency procedures were unsustainable by the officials. That is also an officials, we cannot think like that. Officials reported an unsustainable set of events during the emergency. So fourth one is more appropriate. So read, how to fill this type of, how to choose the answer. You have to substitute that word, given word, in each blank and read twice, thrice, so that our mind gets the guess the answer. The other attempts to study to repeat. Very good, easy. This is the easy first, only one easy answer. Offering an advice. He is advising us. Next, what does the author mean when he says to get our lives in order? What do you think? Eighth one, sorry. The author uses colloquial words such as and oh hoo. Which of the following is not a colloquial word? Colloquial word means used in the local slang, local usage by an unofficial language. Not colloquial. See. Hooked, it's a colloquial usage. Guy, stuff.